to get us back on to the press conference, please? We'd like to get started, and as long as this goes on, we can go again. So
With the truck there, trying to,
you're
fellas,
you're not
yes,
getting behind
he said that.
Well, we're actively, but I didn't say that, so let's have a conversation.
Well, can you
Let's not
clarify
get
what
this
that
on
means,
us.
ma'am?
Sorry?
There was a threat here, that we're going to be trespassed.
Of the promise?
This is the gentleman, could you explain what he's talking about, please?
Well, this is the Florida Department of Law Enforcement, and if they've asked you to leave, then that's the case.
That's what?
Well, if he's with the Florida Department of Law Enforcement,
No, he's
I'm sorry,
not.
I'm just getting here.
I'm the department of management.
No, he's
Yeah.
not, he's not.
But if they've asked you to leave, if the facilities have asked you to leave, then I think that's the flight you do. But we're happy to interact with you guys, but they've asked you to leave.
We appreciate that, but this is a public building,
Sure.
and we don't intend on moving.
Sure, okay. Thank you for the conversation, but again, we'd like to start our press
Go
conference.
ahead,
We can't
please.
do that
Please, feel
until
free.
you guys leave after the
Please,
request.
please, go ahead with your comments.
But we can't do that until we've asked you to leave.
So why do we have to?
Why do we have to leave? The public
What's
building.
going on?
A private press conference with a public
We
official?
don't allow the members of the public to come to the
Excuse me, ma'am, let me just get this straight. You have a private news conference with a public official on
We don't
public
allow members
property.
of the public to come to our press conferences. This is for members of the media with the elected officials. They have the conversation, they can have a separate conversation that you guys want to have.
Well, here's my question to you. Here's my
What
question.
about the press conference?
What about?
At schools, where you had the whole school there, and other places where
But
you
those,
had people
for
around.
security
But
reasons,
him.
we know who those people are.
So there's
You
no
know who we
question,
are. I just
no
told you
question
what.
regarding security?
There is
Would
a
you like
question
my
about
ID?
security. So if we can move everyone out of the press conference.
We're not moving.
We're happy to have this conversation.
We're not moving. This is a public building on public property with a public official. What about the voice of the people,
Sir,
young
please
lady?
don't scream at me. We're
I'm
happy to
not
have this
screaming, I'm
conversation.
speaking up just as loudly as Patrick Henry did when he said, give me liberty or give me death.
We're happy to
Ignore
have
it
this
entire.
Ma'am, we're not moving, hear me out.
Okay, well, I
Nothing
appreciate
personal
that.
towards you, ma'am, okay? Nothing personal towards you. Towards the governor, yeah.
If you'd like to have a conversation with me, we're happy to do that.
Good, and we're ready to have it.
Again, the press conferences are not open.
We are ready to
public.
have that
They're open to
conversation.
Members of the press, and we'd like to talk to the governor.
We are ready to have that conversation with the governor.
And what was your name? I didn't catch your
My
name.
name is Ben Frazier. I'm the founder and president of the Northside Coalition of Jacksonville, one of
Now, are you
6
guys all-
plaintiffs suing your governor.
Okay, I understand that.
Right,
Are you
well,
guys
answer
all
what?
with the Northside
So
Coalition?
here's
No,
the
we're all
deal.
representing the community that y'all have let suffer because you keep ignoring this pandemic, and that's really what's disrespectful. And I'm sorry that we're being disrupted or whatever, but it's been disruptive to our lives. The fact that we're here, having to go to work, don't know if we're gonna catch COVID, don't know if we have it, can't get tested, all the funds are drying up, there's no state facility to get tested. That's disrespectful. That's why we're here. Like, this is the state of emergency. I don't want to be here at 9:30 in the morning at some press conference, whatever. But that's how important it is to us, and that's what we need to realize. So when you say,
Sure.
you're trying to pacify us, you're trying to say, the governor's happy to speak with us, I don't really think he is.
No.
That of the media is watching and everything. Do you think that we could
I
have a
think
sit down
this
with
is
the governor?
constructive to.
Yes, it is. Yes, yes, it is.
I don't think it is.
Yes.
Again, we're happy to have this conversation, but I need
Great,
everyone
and
to.
schedule it. We're not leaving.
This is not an appropriate way to do this.
Says who?
Says everyone.
Says who?
Everyone.
Everyone does not agree with you.
So I appreciate that that's your
Yeah,
sentiment, but that's. this
what
is-
about the voice of the people?
Again, we're happy to listen.
We're the
We're happy to
people.
have those other
Then great, then let's have the
conversations.
news
Really,
conference.
we'd like to be able to do that.
Let's
But
conduct
until
it.
you leave, we
Let's
can't
find
answer
out.
Because this
Is the
is-
governor
this
afraid
is-
to meet with the people?
No, he's not afraid.
This, we are his constituency.
Yes.
Is
So
the
I
governor
appreciate
afraid to
that.
meet with the people?
No.
We mean him no harm.
No.
We come in peace.
We don't.
This is the people, ma'am, why don't you run our licenses? I'm prepared to show you mine, and I'm sure everybody else here was well.
Again, we're here for a
We-
press
we
conference.
come
We're here
in
to have this
peace.
conversation, and I appreciate
We
that.
come in
Yes.
peace.
And you have my business card.
Right.
Let's get connected all the
Okay,
time.
the bottom line is,
Yes.
this is a peaceful,
Yes, and no one's calling
this is a
anybody. It's
peaceful,
nothing like that.
okay, so don't imply anything else, all right?
There are still things that we.
But you've already said that we're gonna get trespass.
Because you are trespassing.
Says who? How do you get trespass from public? How do you get, there we go. The governor's running, look, the governor's running. comes down to public welfare, this governor does not care. When it comes to public welfare, this governor does not care. This governor does not care. When it comes down to public welfare, this governor does not care. He does not want to meet with this public. He wants to run away and tuck his tail between his legs. Why? He doesn't want to. The bottom line is, he doesn't want to deal with the people. What about the voice of the people? What about the voice of the people? Got your card. Got your card. News conference. Where's the news conference? Where's the news conference going to be? Where's the news conference going to be? We're not leaving. We're not leaving. We're not leaving.
That's not true. That's not true. That will not work, sir. It won't work. It won't work. That that's a narrative that will not work.
Tell them we said, welcome to Jacksonville. Stop running and hiding. Tell them to stop running and hiding and meet with the people.
We're gonna ask that we get this situated for a press conference or whatever capacity that we can. We just need to have professional business, and we appreciate that you guys were able to come out. We will work on either this material reset as we are able, and then you can ask to leave. It's a secure facility, we don't deal with.
We are citizens. We come in peace. We are peaceful citizens. We are peaceful citizens, man.
So thank you. Again, I appreciate the sentiment, but it's still a secure building, and both of those needs to be true. So, thank you. Yes, we're asking everyone who is not credentialed
This
to
is a
leave.
locked room. You cannot walk off the street, go
Correct.
up these stairs and walk into this room. It stays locked. It's by appointment only.
Correct.
And we have had some people make an appointment today, and I unlocked this room still. That's what this room was for. Got it.
In which
I
case,
asked
you do
y'all
have
to leave,
to ask you to leave.
and y'all did.
Sir, you've been asked to leave, someone has to ask you to respectfully go ahead and leave out of the room, please let them conduct the interview.
Dr. Gerald,
I'm actually asking all of you.
Dr. Gerald, I'm not the only person here. I'm not the only person here.
Sir, you also, you don't have any credentials, sir, you also have to leave. Ladies, you don't have credentials, you don't have any outside. Thank you.
We're happy to have this conversation.
Am I being arrested, sir? Am I being arrested, sir? And for what reason am I being detained?
You don't want it to go.
The governor is afraid to meet with the people. He's an enemy of the people. He is an enemy of the people. He is an enemy of the people. When it comes to public welfare, this governor does not care. When it comes to public welfare, this governor does not care. When it comes to public welfare, this governor does not care. This governor does not care. Why am I the only person being detained?
You again are asking everyone that is in the
Can I be in there right now? So where's my vehicle? So where's my vehicle? Wait a minute, ow, whoa. Hey, okay, wait a minute now. I need to be able to get on this vehicle. I do, I don't know why you have me in handcuffs, why? Why am I being handcuffed? Why am I being handcuffed? Why am I being handcuffed? I have not done anything to anyone. Why am I being handcuffed? Why am I being handcuffed? Why am I being handcuffed, Sergeant Gerald? I asked the question, why am I being handcuffed? Am I being arrested? Am I being arrested? I'm asking a question. Am I being arrested? There are other people here. Why are they not being handcuffed? am I being handcuffed?
Sir, likewise, please. Officer Leon will show you the way out. Thank you, sir.
You right now?
Excuse me, sir. Everybody else, somebody has to leave, that's an armed policeman, you see? I get it. Okay. All right.
They said they're moving, but who knows?